When we went to go look at them, we were amazed of how well built and how much stronger the Mowermax is and how well the arm and the heads have worked out for us. The reach is absolutely fantastic, and the durability of everything about that machine all around is phenomenal.
So the Mowermax on steep terrains and curves, the machine handles very well. Plenty of power, mowing uphill, downhill. I don't feel uncomfortable when you get in situations where you're having to reach out. This machine here does not run out of power, and it's very stable the way the system's set. My name's Pat Miller. I work for 𝗪𝘁𝗲𝗿𝗁 County Road Department. I am the primary operator of this Mowermax. I've been with the county for 20 years. I love this machine. It seems to be really good since we've purchased it. I spent most of my time with this machine. I've been through the goods and the bad, but most of them are great with this machine.
In the wintertime, we have a lot of flooding that takes place, a lot of shoulder washouts. We have slides. We have numerous trees. In the wintertime, the soil gets saturated with water, and a lot of trees come down at that point in time. My name is Kevin McDougal. I'm here with 𝗪𝘁𝗲𝗿𝗁 County Road Department in the Alma Division, East County. On a daily basis, we usually we're set out to do road maintenance, and we do a lot of mowing, brush cutting. We do asphalt, all road repairs. We plow, sand, keep the ditches clean, and keep all the roadway safe for the traveling public.
So the Mowermax, as far as maintenance goes, it's fairly easy. This machine is very well built. Basically, we check the coolants, check the hydraulic oil levels. It's fairly carefree for the most part, keeping the glass clean. As far as maintenance goes, making sure the blades are sharp. It's been a very, very, very good machine. It's up to the operators here to make sure that the working mechanisms of this machine are lubricated. We generally lubricate the arms on the machine, the boom on the machine on a 40-hour work week, but we maintain the head, grease the head daily, once a day. It's a very easy machine to do. In the past, I've had to operate a Boomax with a John Deere tractor. We've had a couple of different ones since I've been here. The issue that I've had is the quality of this machine is far better. The steel's thicker, the welds are thicker. As far as reliability, this machine has been a great machine. The biggest issue I have with those are visibility. You can't see out of them when you're operating. The Mowermax has a great view out the windows. You can see power lines, limbs, mailboxes, telephone heads. You can see everything, and it's very operator friendly.
If we were to ever purchase another mower, we would definitely look into the Mowermax itself. Because of the durability, the maintenance, and the few issues that we've even had with them. We've owned this one for a couple of years now, and we've tried to run it every week, and there's very little downtime with it. The operators seem to love it, the ones that do run it. The visibility out of the machine is fantastic, and it's just an all-around good mower that we've come across.